Hi there, I'm Lisa, this is Ted, my husband, and along with Hans, Air Alsatian, and Bessie, who thinks she's a kangaroo, we are Chateau de Montmagny. March 2020, when COVID spanned the globe and the world began to lock down, we decided to turn our lives upside down and begin the adventure of a lifetime. We threw in our jobs, packed up the car, and purchased this 14th century historical monument.
You have arrived.
Woohoo!
We have arrived.
With no previous experience and just £80,000 budget and a tent as their temporary residence, we plan to transform this abandoned, unloved historical monument into a family home and thriving business. We have so many new skills to learn along the way, but we invite you to come along for the ride. So strap yourselves in and let the fun begin. Welcome to what would have been Saturday. If you've been joining us for the last week on our dailies on the run up to the European Heritage Days, the Patrimoine de Journée, you will know that we've been working really hard to try and get this place ready for a wonderful weekend of open days for people to come have a look around. We had an artisan fair going on, music, barbecue, afternoon teas, guided tours, a wonderful weekend. However, I don't have any footage to show you. Well, I've got some little clips. But our GoPro, you may have noticed on the last video, the audio was going in and out, and a lot of our footage from the last video we lost. It decided to give up the ghost. So we literally have no good footage of the weekend at all. Hello, baby. So I do apologise, but here's a few clips, and it was an amazing weekend. We had over 400 people sign in at the gate, and a lot more through the doors that didn't sign in. We was asking people to sign in, but on the second day we didn't have enough volunteers to be able to man the gate. So over 400 signed in, which is absolutely amazing for a new business, a fledgling business, and we were really pleased with that. The tours went down amazingly. Everybody loved the tours, as they did last year. And we were up and down the stairs like yo-yos, the tower staircase, just showing people around. I did the English ones. Mandy, a lovely volunteer, come and did the French ones because we felt it was better to do them separately. We had, obviously, the girls working in the tea room, doing the afternoon teas and the tea, coffee and cake in the morning. We had the we had Anita and Helen that was at the barbecue area. We had the music going on, our lovely local artisans that came and played music for us all weekend. We had the artisan fair going on, which was wonderful. And I have to say, like I said in the last video, I take it all back. The artisans that came to the open weekend were fantastic. They had a great weekend, meeting new people, new contacts, and they were just all amazing in the fact that they took direction. They went to where their stall was supposed to be. They set up. They didn't ask for anything. There was no demanding. Thank you to all of you who attended the weekend, whether you be an artisan, a volunteer, or just somebody who came to visit. We just thank you immensely. And yeah, it was a great weekend. We thoroughly enjoyed it. I just wish we had some better footage of it, but we don't. But the important thing is now we are moving forward. Please come back next week, because now we go into phase 2 of renovations. So I will be shortly uploading a vlog which will give you the plans for the new phase 2 of renovations. What will be happening over the next year. Now, as you know, we've been part of a TV programme, Help We Bought a Village, and we are now filming for the second series of a TV programme for airing in the UK. It had such great results from the first series. We had such amazing feedback that people loved it. So, yeah, we are now filming for second series, which is wonderful. And phase 2 will all be part of that second series. Now, we have a lot of work ahead of us, as you all know. And now that we are bringing a bit of income in through our restaurant and through our accommodation, that pays for all of our overheads for the Chateau side of things. It pays for our living expenses. It pays for us to be able to spend a little bit of money on renovating or making airtight the piggeries. So that will be our immediate project. But you'll hear all about that next week. But the most important bit is the renovations on the phase 2 medieval hall. Oh my God, I can't wait. So I hope you can't wait. It'll be very exciting. So please join us again next week. And yeah, renovations begin again. It's exciting. I can't wait. See you then.